So in this video, we're going to be going through NDAX, which is a cryptocurrency trading application for Canadians. We're going to be going through the desktop and the phone, and in the end, we're going to see if it's worth putting your own money into it and start investing in cryptocurrency. So the most important thing to know about NDAX is their fees. So you do get charged 0.2% on every transaction. So when you buy something, you get charged 0.2%, and when you sell something, you get charged 0.2%. So for example, if you want to buy $100 of cryptocurrency, you're going to be charged 20 cents from NDAX. So you can see on this table here the fees that I have been charged by NDAX, and you can see how much money I've put in on some of these cryptocurrencies. So I've spent about $908 of buying on NDAX, and I've been charged about $1.80 so far, which is not a lot considering that I've been able to buy this much. So you can see here for buying something for $334, I'm getting charged 67 cents. So I think that's pretty reasonable. And just to be clear, when you spend $100, the trading fee is going to be 20 cents. Just to note though, once you buy and sell, you can buy and sell, go back into your Canadian money, but then ultimately when you want to cash out your money back into your bank account, you're going to be charged $25. So let's say after you've made $100 and you want to take that out of the NDAX account and put it back into your real bank account so you can spend it, you're going to be charged $25. So out of that $100, you're only going to be able to take out $75 after all the transaction fees. So you have to pay for those transaction fees and that $25 if you want to take it out of NDAX. But ultimately, if you want to keep buying and selling on NDAX and not actually put it back into your bank account, you're only going to be charged that 0.2%, which is quite nice. So the other important thing is security, and NDAX makes sure that your money is held safe in the most secure possible way. They have digital asset security and insurance. They have segregated accounts. They also have a regulated framework, multi-signature approvals, MPC hot wallets. They also have third-party vendor assessments, and also they're protecting against service attacks. They make sure that there's ongoing monitoring, and they're also preventing account takeovers. So it is important to know that they have a mandatory two-factor authentication, and they're going to send you a notification every time that you sign into NDAX on your email, just to make sure that no one is logging into your account without your notice. So next we'll go through the user interface and what kind of cryptocurrencies you can buy on the browser and see if that's something that you would be interested in doing in the future. So you go here and you can have your trading. You can see all the cryptocurrencies that they currently have. So you can see the full list on NDAX.io, but they do have quite a bit since I actually started putting money on here, and it's good to know that they are improving it. So buying and selling is quite easy on the interface on the desktop. So you would go to the cryptocurrency that you want to buy, and you would select buy, and then you could buy what you want. So you can pick it by Ethereum. So if you want to buy 1 Ethereum, you could buy that, or you can do it by cash. So if you want to buy $50 Canadian, it will decide how much Ethereum you get very easily. So all you'd have to do is press place buy order, and then you're done. So same thing if I wanted to sell my cryptocurrency, I would select either how many Cardanos I'd want to sell, or I could sell a certain amount of dollars. So if I wanted to sell $20, that's what would happen. You could also see the fees that get associated with that $20. So you get charged 3.9 cents Canadian. So that's the experience on here. You have your dashboard, and it can see kind of what your portfolio distribution is. You can see your transactions, and you can see a lot of other features, nice and simply set up. You also have a wallet, so you can see what you have. So if you want to buy and sell on NDAX, it's very simple. You will select your cryptocurrency, and you can select buy or sell on the bottom, and you can select how much you want to spend. So for me, if you want to spend $20 on Bitcoin, you can see the fees you will receive. So very convenient. It's nice to know how much you're getting charged. It's very simple. Then you can go to your wallet and you can see your investments and how the investments have performed over a certain period of time. So you can look over 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months. So overall, I've been really pleased with how the application looks. It's nice and simple. It's very secure. If you have an iPhone, you can have Face ID, or you can secure it with your password. I love the two-factor authentication, and using the authenticator, make sure that it's actually me logging into NDAX, which is important because in cryptocurrency, if anything goes crazy, I would recommend this if you're interested in buying cryptocurrency in Canada. And I think the fees are pretty reasonable compared to the other ones. So if you're interested in knowing the fees in other cryptocurrency apps compared to this one, put a message in the comment section below and I would be really happy to respond to you. I hope you found this video interesting. I want to help you out just like I would my brother. See you in the next video.